Nandito kami ngayon sa SM MOA roof deck. Buti na lang medyo makulimlim so we can enjoy. It's not that hot in here. So look over there. There is the Ferris wheel. So we're going to check the... Saan tayo pupunta? We're going... Where are we going? Golf what? What are we going to check there? Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there. Enjoy your day and take a rest. So let's check on the other side of roof deck. It's the mini golf course. Oh my gosh, I'm so exhausted. At nang tumatanda, hindi na makatagal sa... What's that? Ayun, yung mini golf course nila dito. Kaya lang, I don't know. Well, there's a certain ano lang na pwedeng pumasok doon. So there we go. So, dito tayo. Kasi mas medyo malamig dito. Ba? Ayan, makulimlim. May ring nagpapalamig dito, oh. Diba? Galing ng MOA, ha? Fairness. O, diba? Naging functional ang kanilang roof deck. Kasi nilagyan nila ng ganito. So, mas maraming nakaka-enjoy. See? Ganda. Ganda ng roof deck. Maluwag pa to, meron pa doon sa kabila. Nice. Ito, dami-dami upuan din yun. Ariko.
May flash yung cellphone.